So here's what I learned last weekend. Bolt.new plus Cursor plus Claude equals a product that used to take 6 months. I shipped a real working app in 48 hours. Honestly, easier than picking a dinner spot, and I've spent longer than 48 hours arguing about pizza toppings, so that's saying something. We all have the idea, the app that would fix your workflow, the tool your friends keep asking for. Then nothing happens. Sound familiar? Yeah, me too. The old path is brutal. Learn a framework, set up a database, fight with deployment. 3 months later, a folder of half-finished code and a cold idea. Most people never ship, because shipping used to require being a professional developer. Plot twist, it doesn't anymore, and honestly, that plot twist is the whole show. Let me give you the stack, every piece explained like you've never touched code, because that's exactly who this is for. No shame. I was that person 2 years ago. First, the plan. An MVP, minimum viable product, is the smallest version of your idea that someone could actually use and pay for, not the dream version, the ugly, honest version. Think of it as the food truck version of your restaurant. Nobody's judging the lack of 5-star tablecloths. That's the whole trick. Tool 1, Bolt.new. Type a sentence, make me a site where friends split bills, and it generates a working web app right in your browser. Buttons, forms, database, everything. Furniture, delivered assembled. IKEA could never. Tool 2, Cursor. It's a code editor, where you write code, with AI superpowers. Imagine a brilliant coworker who's read every tutorial on the internet and never tires of your questions. The coworker who never says, "Did you even Google it?" because they are Google. Tool 3, Claude. The brain. It writes code, reads error messages, and explains what broke in plain English. When something breaks, paste in the error, it fixes it, usually with a small joke about your variable names. Rude but fair. Here's the weekend plan. Friday night, write 3 sentences about what your app does. Saturday morning, paste them into Bolt, watch it appear. Saturday afternoon, open it in Cursor, let Claude rebuild the clunky parts. Sunday, show it to 3 real humans, friends, not your mom, and watch them use it. Sunday night, launch. Done. That's an entire product squeezed between Friday's takeout and Sunday's takeout. My weekend, in numbers, $20 in AI credits, 47 signups in the first week, 1 paying customer from a forum. Not a unicorn, but a real product, earning money, built by someone who 2 years ago couldn't explain what an API is. That's just how 2 programs talk to each other. Trust me, I had to look it up twice. And here's the surprise: speed doesn't just save time, it changes what you dare to attempt. The 6-month product gets polished forever, because failure feels expensive. A weekend product gets shipped ugly on purpose, and that's what teaches you what people actually want. Most products don't die from bad code, they die waiting for a perfect version that never comes. Or they die in the group chat where you pitched them back in 2019. I once spent 3 weeks on a login page for an app nobody asked for. Claude would have finished before my coffee cooled. That's the mistake this stack kills, and it's also proof that I, personally, needed this stack more than anyone alive. So, describe your idea in plain words, generate it in Bolt, refine it in Cursor, lean on Claude for the hard parts, and show it to real humans by Sunday night. An MVP isn't the smallest product you can build, it's the fastest way to find out if anyone cares. I made building cheap. So the rare thing isn't code anymore, it's the courage to show people something unfinished. What's your idea doing while it waits to be perfect? If that got you thinking, subscribe to AI Toolbox Daily for more. And grab free AI tools at AI Shop, aikshop.com. It's an AI-run charity site where every penny helps kids in mountain areas go to school. See you in the next one.